What up, vlog? It is week 2. It is Saturday. Today, our first weekly vlog of season 2 went up. Right now, Zoe and I are gonna pick up a couple orders. Then we're going to Sac Anime with some friends. Zoe has her Boba Fett mask and the Chewbacca. Yeah, it fell, but she has the Chewbacca bowcaster as well.
This guy.
Yep. Alright, we got the first order, on to the next. 2 more to do. We're gonna go to Target, get our cereal bars, mini breakfast, and then Sac Anime. We got the Target order, got some breakfast bars, just had one. I do not recommend these. They taste synthetic and lab made. I regret purchasing them, and I'm glad they were like $2 or $3, and it honestly makes sense why they were. They're garbage. We got our last thing. We got some bed sheets for Jordan and I. The other ones were kind of, they were sent from the beginning, they were just too small for the bed. But yeah, these are deep hotel luxury sheets, so we'll see how they work out. We got Zoe some sheets. Encanto. Making our way downtown. Made it to registration. We checked in. Ready, Eric? Mm-hmm. Let's go. All right, we have to get Zoe's gun repaired. We have to deactivate it so it doesn't shoot. Who's gonna win, Scott? Who do you think?
Big guy, bro.
Big guy.
Right there. Mike was asking.
Very nice. Scott, get these ears, bro. I'll buy them for you. Dude, they're only $20, Scott.
Bro,
you look so cute. Zoe, having fun?
Yeah.
Buddy. We just got the most mid pizza of all time. Nachos are alright. Convention center food is overpriced for sure. It's even worse than the King's Golden One Center. But Zoe is chowing down on them nachos. Is it good? Learning some choreo.
Oh my goodness. I bought Sarah that
Chewbacca.
Oh yeah. Gunji. It's Gunji.
3, 2, 1.
Zoe and I just got done at Sac Anime. We had a good time. We're still eating a little bit of our leftovers. We gotta make sure we eat all of it because that was way too expensive not to eat all of it. The big old rainbow over here. It's really cool.
And say thank you, Jesus. If it had not been for the Lord.
It is Monday. So he's doing some school. JJ's about to go take a nap. It was a long weekend. We are all very tired and still trying to recover from it. And Zoe ended up getting sick over the last couple of days too and has a pretty bad cough. So the household is a little sick right now. I am thinking I'm possibly coming down with it too because the roof of my mouth burns a little bit and having a lot of phlegm. So hopefully it doesn't get me down too bad. Today's a low-key day, just doing some laundry, finishing it up from the weekend. Well, I'm gonna get JJ down for a nap and then I'm gonna finish up my cleaning.
Yep, and here I am. So doing schoolwork.
It's Tuesday. We had car issues last week with the big vehicle. Since November, we've had the check engine light on in our other vehicle. So right now I'm pulling stuff out of that vehicle to put into here so we can go drop that off later tonight at the shop. Something cool happened today. We officially got the kids enrolled in theater, and then in about a month they'll start soccer and swim again. So we are really excited. Lots of good stuff for the kids. They're gonna have so much fun. Now I gotta go to the other car, go get all the stuff out of there. What up, vlog? It's Wednesday. Woohoo! We needed to get out of the house. What we're gonna do is a porch pickup, Facebook Marketplace, and gonna go watch the sunset over one of the hills, over on one of these country roads, and just have a good little evening. So I got a new Peppa Pig book.
Somebody's named Zoe in this.
Oh, really? That's cool.
We just picked it up. 20 bucks, brand new. Still has tags on them. If they were selling this right now at Disney, it would.
Yeah, it's from Disney, by the way.
Yeah, it's from Disney. If they're selling it right now, it would definitely be 70 because that's how much their jerseys are going for right now. But this is OG Disney when they used to sell them for 50 bucks. Super dope. I love it so much. Pluto's one of my favorites. Oh, this is cool. I didn't see the badge on the side.
Looks
Pluto
like
Mad
it'll fit
Dogs.
Big Mama Triple Drama.
Uh-huh. This is super dope. Feel how dense it is. Super dense. It's gonna keep me nice and warm in February when we go, or March. What I want to do right now is to drive up to one of these homes and pull in the driveway and have the key to the house. Hi guys.
Hello.
Kids are looking up through the sunroof at the views.
Oh.
Looks super awesome. Looks pretty good. Jordan's taking a picture of the kids.
Hi, Eli. It's amazing. Seriously amazing. Yeah, the sunset looks a volcano.
Looks like a volcano?
Yeah.
A little bit, huh?
Yeah.
Happy Wednesday. We're on the way to...
You mean Thursday?
Oh, yeah.
Yes, I do mean
job.
Thursday. Happy Thursday. We're on the way to some theater art building for the kids' class to see them on the big stage. You guys excited?
Yeah. But on the big stage?
Massive stage. Are you excited, buddy? He's been a little nervous, but we're doing this so he can break out of his shell a little bit.
It'll help him.
This is gonna be fun, buddy, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
I'm so scared.
No, we don't need to be scared.
And you might even make new friends.
Yeah, you will, buddy. Isn't that exciting?
I will.
Yep. Jordan wears his sunglasses at night. We just got done at the theater. It was awesome. We got to see the kids run through part of the play. It was super awesome.
Oh, it's so awesome!
But now we're at Target. We're gonna get some...
Tater tots
That's all you got?
and creamer.
Which kind of creamer?
Vanilla Chobani.
Oh, this dude's hitting my car with his bag, dude. Put your body on my jeans. 0883. Yeah, please. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
My dog eating the tater tots is kind of wild.
What's in there?
Tater tots.
Powder tape.
Creamer.
Happy Friday. We are on our way to get our other car and then gonna go to O'Reilly's. Gotta pick up some oil. All right, we got the car. Brakes are feeling good. Now we at O'Reilly's. We got the oil and the filters. Hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to change it. If not tomorrow, maybe sometime next week. We got a busy weekend and kids and Jordan are still recouping from being pretty sick. So hopefully we'll get some time to do it, but we'll have to see. Finished editing. We proofed it. Is Gucci Gang. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.